need to know how to write a sales page but don't know where to start, then this video is for you. In this video I'm going to share 10 key things that your sales page must include to have your first copywriting client and have them you hire again and again. I will make sales page writing easy for the beginner by giving you clear structure that actually work in the real life. And make sure that you watch this video till the end, because in the end I will share you a real sales page example and explain how these elements work in the real life. Hey guys, what's up? It's Ifsa and welcome to Copywriting with Ifsa. In this video, I'm going to share beginner-friendly structure for writing a sales page. Everything I'm teaching, what I learned from courses, research, practice, and trying it on myself. This will save your hour of watching random videos and make it easier to write your first high-converting sales page. Number one, headline. It's the first thing that every sales page have, and it is small but very important. It takes a lot of time to write because this is the first thing that your reader sees, and it should grab your reader attention and show them benefit and make them read more. Clear your skin and boost your confidence in just 2 weeks. Don't worry if you don't know how to write a attention grabbing headline. In the next video I will share 5 headline formula that every expert or copywriter used. That's why I created this channel, to guide beginners step by step. Number 2, sub headline. This comes right under headline. It clear headline promise and make curiosity on the reader mind so that they keep scrolling and want to read further. You may see a lot of the expert copywriter don't always use sub headline because they're expert, they know different methods, but don't go there yet because you are a beginner. As a beginner you need to know simple structure, and you need to know you need to understand the simple structure so you can write the sales page when you just starting out. Example of sub headline: discover the 3 easy step skincare routine which help teenager to reduce pimple and feel confident before school starts. Number 3, build up section. This section is a very important, difficult to write because like a headline, because this section decide if your reader buy or not. This section is all about connecting, to make your reader feel that you understand their problems. For example, our teenager girl wakes up in the morning and see her face with lot of pimple, and she become frustrated and avoid taking picture, and in deep down she wanted to enjoy whole day without worrying about her skin. So the goal is here to make them to understand that they understand me, and no solution yet, only empathy and connection. For making this connection, you need to research about your reader pain point. Your goal is here to make them feel seen and understood. And watch this video till the end, because in the end I will show you example of high converting sales page. Number 4, problem and solution. After connecting with the reader, you need to show them why this is a problem and how it's affect their daily life, and show the solution, but not your product yet. And for example, problem is pimple make teenager feel insecure, frustrated, and tired of hiding her face. And solution is these 3 simple easy step skincare routine, reduce the pimple and make them feel confident. And before showing your product, make them to believe on your given solution. Number 5, offer. Now offer your product and service and show them that it is easiest and faster ways to get result you promised, and it's include what it is and how it's work and where to get it, and when will result appear and how much it cost. For example, name teen face serum and promise get clear skin in 2 weeks, and value 3-step routine plus free skincare guide, and price affordable, and make sure that make value feel much more higher than the price, and add the discount to make it irresistible. Number 6, benefit. Now focus on why your reader should buy this. For example, feature include natural ingredients, and benefit includes teen doesn't feel embarrassed. Now they confidently meet with friends and take selfies. And always explain the benefit, not just feature, because feature is what it is and benefit is how it's helped them. Number 7, social proof authority. Now show your readers that people trust your product. Show them testimonials, social media stat. For example, I use this serum for 2 weeks. My pimple reduced so much. I finally feel confident, happy teen. Number 8, scarcity urgency. Scarcity help people to take action faster. Show them that offers limited, so your reader doesn't keep delaying their decision. And you can create scarcity real in simple way, like limited time discount. Buy today to get your free skincare guide and 50 bottle left. Never and remember this, never fake scarcity. Number 9, risk reversal, make it safe. Make buying process easy and safe. Include how to order, delivery access, delivery detail and access, return refund policies. For example, buy today and try it for 14 days. If it doesn't work, you can get your full refund. This will reduce fear and build trust. Number 10, call to action. Last but not least, make it easy and simple, like click here, order now, enroll now and get instant access. Don't assume that people know it. Tell them where to click, and if your sales page is long, then add CTA for 4 to 5 times, 3 times if your page is long. And also make it simple and easy to click. Now after writing a whole sales page, now read loudly, because reading loudly help you to spot confusing part, and check it is it easy to read on mobile or not, because a lot of users use mobile to read pages, and is it friendly or not, and make buyer feel safe from buying you. And now move into the next clip where I show you real high converting sales page.
What I teach is not just theory, this is my hard work. This is what I practiced and learned over the last year while going through confusion, disappointment and self-doubt. And by the way, the sales page you are seeing right now is from my favorite creator, the person who inspired me to start my content journey. And one important thing before we start, don't worry about the exact placement of each element. This page is written by expert copywriter. This first line is the headline. Build your personal brand, grow loyal audience and turn content into the full-time career even if you are starting from zero. Clear promise, clear audience, clear outcome. And the line, the creator career roadmap that helps a student replace the 9 to 5 incomes in 12 months. This headline add time frame and proof, which makes the headline more believable. Also notice the name, the BSP model. This is right here is the unique mechanism. She is not saying another course, another strategy. She named her system that instantly separates her from everyone else. And also she shows testimonial. Before she explains anything, she shows real result from real people. This removed doubt early and built trust fast. Now this line, you are grading out content for hours but nothing feels predictable or sustainable. Now notice the shift. She's talking directly to the reader's frustration, burnout, confusion, irregularity. This make readers feel seen. Now look at this line, I have been your shoes. This line is powerful because she is not positioning herself as a perfect. She is positioning herself as someone who figured it out. You can watch her sales page by yourself and identify that 10 element, and look, she describe value, what you get from that price. And also in the whole page she mentioned a lot of CTA buttons, because that the reader can buy in any time. And also she's making she creates scarcity, save $200 today if you buy today. And also payment methods that make easier for any reader, any client to buy, and also give different offers. And that is a very great sales, high converting sales page. You can watch it by yourself and see lot of CTA button, and every clarification clear in that sale page, so people feel safe before buying from her. And also she mentioned each and everything. You can watch it by yourself and frequently ask question. In the end she also offer 14 days guarantee 14 days guarantee, which base guarantee, which make buyer to easily buy from her and make believe on her. So you can watch it by yourself. So this is how a real sales page works in real life. If you want to learn copywriting, stop memorizing definitions and start studying pages like this. And if this breakdown help you, make sure you subscribe, and because this is exactly how I suggest beginners to think like real copywriters.
If you found this video helpful, give it thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more beginner friendly copywriting tutorials. In the next video I will share 5 headline formulas that every expert copywriter use but never share for free. Keep practicing, keep writing. Soon you will feel confident to write high converting sales page for yourself or your clients.